Hey fam! So today I thought of introducing you to our tees and prints store. Welcome to Christie's Closet, where everyday items become extraordinary expressions of you. Our tees aren't just clothes, they're statements made with love, printed with passion, and designed to make you stand out. Head to creasetiescollections.myspreadshop.com and get your shopping spree started. Browse our collections, filter by style, or search for that perfect tee. We've got you covered. Check out the details and pick your fave size. See? Easy peasy. We offer discounts from time to time, so please patronize us today. The link to the store is in the video description below. It can also be found on our YouTube profile page. Head to the store tab on our YouTube profile page. You can choose any of the features, collections, or products displayed and scroll down to visit store link. Alternatively, you can click on the links on our profile summary or bio page. For now, let's keep you engaged with some of our products. Please patronize us today. Thank you. I love you.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. And call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything